How to fix Facebook Messenger not working. Hello guys, so in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Messenger not working. First thing, open the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, on this page you will find every single app that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is very simple. Just scroll until you find the messenger right here and click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to this page. Click on force stop and then go to the notifications management. Make sure to enable all these notifications here. Go back and then click on the permissions. Make sure also to enable everything and then go to the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data and click on delete. And the last thing you want to do is restart your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe.